Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. Then does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Remember, cryptos are open 24/7, so if you're watching this video, 15, 20 hours from now, yeah, the chart is going to look different for you. But my goal here from a presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Now, for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, then you know that the big question point that I talked about was this red line up here, up at 4,400, and that remains the key question point, because over the past 24 hours, you can see that, yeah, the bulls did try to break up above that level, but once again, that area has proven to be an area of resistance. Again, I'm not saying the price can never break above there. I'm just saying that, according to the story that's being told from the chart, yeah, the bulls are really going to need to bring their A game if they're going to be able to not necessarily get above it, but more so stay above it. Because, yeah, there's been a couple instances there where the price got above it, there where the price got above it. But so getting above it, like I said, is not necessarily the issue. The issue is staying up above it. So which that circles back to, let's just say you're watching this 15 hours from now. Question number one while you watch this is, where's the price at relative to 4,400? If the price is still below it, then okay, nothing necessarily new bullish wise has happened. Now, if the price is above it, then that's where a little common sense and gut instincts comes into play. Meaning if the price is, right there, okay, don't get me wrong, that's good. That's definitely, moving in the right direction. But if the price is, way up there, well, then that would tell you that, a new breakout is underway and that the bulls are having themselves, a nice little kind of coming out party in the sense of finally being able to break up above there. Now, if you are answering the question that the price is down below the 4,400 mark, the next immediate question to ask yourself is kind of just, where's the price at relative to 4,100, which is this level right here. If the price is still up above 4,100, yet down below 4,400, so in other words, the price is somewhere, in this range of the chart, one word can summarize that, and that would just be, at that junction in time while you watch this video, the price is just simply consolidating. Now, if the price is down below 4,100, again, use a little common sense. I mean, if the price is just right there, okay, that's not the greatest, but I mean, it's not like it's terrible. But I mean, if you're watching this and price is all the way down there, that essentially would imply that the price has given up all its gains, which is, obviously not a sign of true power if, the price is going all the way back to where it was. So overall, though, the price is hanging up nicely, and it'll be interesting to see if the next 24 hours the bulls can finally get the 4,400 breakout or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.